it's melting. Dairy Queen has a bunch of summer blizzards. I'm honestly so late. I wanted to try the new Mexican hot chocolate blizzard. The whipped cream is so good. It honestly does taste like it's like a hot chocolate mix. Something about it tastes different than just like a normal chocolate taste. It's good. It has bits of something in it. I probably should have looked at the description before I got it. Whatever the bits are, it's like a nice like texture. Yeah, I like that.